everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this week's video, I will tell you about the top features I wish I knew before in Zoho Campaigns. Before I begin, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button not to miss any useful information that we share here on this channel every single week. And now let's get on into the video. So the first feature I want to talk about is a lot of people segment their audience while importing the contacts from a Zoho CRM. So a lot of people segment the contacts in Zoho Campaigns by creating a custom segmentation within Zoho CRM and custom views and then importing it from there. But Zoho Campaigns actually has a feature to segment the audience within the Zoho Campaigns. So you can bulk import all of the contacts or all of the leads from Zoho CRM and then segment them by the segments in Zoho Campaigns. So to do that, you have to go to Contacts, then to Segments, and then create a new segment. You can name it, and then you can add criteria to segment the audience. So you can see all of the fields that were synchronized from Zoho CRM to Zoho Campaigns, so you can synchronize the basic fields and also all of the custom fields. And you can see all of the contact social fields, contact custom field, account custom fields, and a lot of other segments. So for example, there's also topic based, like the fields for e-commerce and that kind of stuff. So you can create any type of field. So for example, you can segment it by total orders, so equals 10. So you can choose all of the leads that ordered like 10 times or one time. And then you can also add the other fields. So for example, the predefined fields, and then search for the country and then choose the country that is, for example, USA. And then create this segment. So this segment will have all of the contacts that purchased from your business at least once, and then they are from the country of USA. And you can also choose if it's the criteria that both criteria should be met or one of those criteria should be met, and you can segment this audience very precisely with the feature of segmenting. And then while creating an email campaign, using this segmented audience for also the email drip campaigns and other things that you want to do within Zoho Campaigns. Very common mistake and a very common feature that not a lot of people know about is checking how many recipients will receive your email campaign before you send it. And this error I had with a lot of our clients that sent out the campaign, but only like half of the recipients received it. And this is connected to assigning topics. So when you're importing the contacts from Zoho CRM to Zoho Campaigns, you have to assign a topic. And a lot of the companies make other topics, but they don't assign the lists of contacts to certain topics. So you can do that manually and go through all of the lists and assign them the different topics, but you can do it much easier while sending the campaign. So for example, here you can see the campaign name, and then you have to assign the topic. Let's choose the topic testing, for example, and then I will show you how can you check the number of recipients that will receive the campaign. So let's choose different lists and then save it. And then you can see here that it has a feature of mapping the contacts that are not associated to any topics to the testing topic. So you don't have to go to the lists and manually assign the topics to them if you forgot to assign a new topic to different lists. You can also check if all of the recipients are here. So you can see that I chose 2 lists, but they are not assigned to the topic of testing. And you can see that the total recipients is 0. And I have, again, a lot of the clients that send out the campaign and it didn't work just because they didn't assign the certain topic while sending it, but they chose that topic while sending it. So to fix that, you can just click map the contacts that are not associated to any topic to the testing topic, and then that it will fix the issue. And you can see when I checked it and checked the recipients, you can see that all of the contacts that I added will receive this campaign. This is a very, very common mistake, and this is very, very easily fixable with this simple feature that a lot of the clients don't know about. So I hope that it will help you. Another thing that I want to talk about is the fact that a lot of the clients, from my experience, usually send the regular email and don't utilize using the feature of A/B testing. So you can A/B test your emails, and it is very easily to do within Zoho Campaigns. So click here on Create New, and then you can A/B test by the subject, by the sender details, and by the email content. So you can create either two different subjects and see which one has a better open rate, and then you can understand what to cater to your audience, and also the one that has a better click-through rate. It will also be sent to most of the recipients after the A/B testing is done. You can change the sender details and see if you have to include the company details, or you have to send out the personalized emails, so for example from the worker of the company, and then see also which one gets more click-through rate and which one gets more responses. Or you can create different types of email content, so you can create two different templates, send out those, and see which one gets more responses, more clicks, or other interactions. Another thing that I want to talk about is within the email builder. And this is the feature that not a lot of people know about or dig deep enough to use or ever used, and it is very useful. This is a dynamic content. So dynamic content is the content that will be shown to only the recipients that meet the specific criteria. So for example, you can add a text that only the people from USA will see, or only the people that have purchased your products before will see, or any type of criteria that you want to include. So for example, let's add this one, which is a text. So for example, if the country or any other field that you can choose from is USA, then they will see these specific texts. And it's not only with the text, you can also insert the image with the text, and also a button, which is very, very useful feature once again. So for example, you can send out the template to all of the different recipients and then segment the content. For example, you can send out a newsletter and include a specific promotion for the people that have purchased from your business once or 5 times or any other thing. You can show a special promotion only for them, or you can send out a, for example, Black Friday offer, Black Friday promotion, and then include different types of discount codes on the picture or as a text, depending on the recipient that will receive it. Another feature within the template builder is a footer. So from my experience, again, not a lot of people know that you have to include specific information to the footer of your emails for them not to land into the spam. So first of all, you have to, again, authenticate your domain, because it's very important, but a lot of people forget that footer is very, very, very important. And here within Zoho Campaigns, it has a very, very useful feature of the automatic build footer, where it has the information why the recipient is receiving the emails, and also have the option to unsubscribe or update their preferences. And this feature and this using the footer can help you to not land into the spam while you're sending out a campaign. So as you can see, a lot of these features are very useful and very simple to use, but from my experience, a lot of the clients don't know that they exist. So I hope that this video was helpful for you. If it was, please make sure to subscribe and click the notification button not to miss any useful information that we share here. And also leave in the comments below which features you've learned about from this video, and share some of the features that others may not know about in Zoho Campaigns, so we can grow Zoho community together. Also, if you have any questions about Zoho Campaign setup or any questions about any other Zoho app, make sure to book a free consultation with one of our experts by the link down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next week.